Hi guys, 5th video for the final one. I'm sorry Max for posting all these on your account. Please forgive me and have a Merry Christmas to all of you.
Pick one. Dum, 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 dum.
That was my brother with my vitamin I have to take. Oh. Angry Bird Nuts. Rah! Hold on, that's a call. Hi Max. Hi Max. Hi, I'm recording on YouTube while talking to you. Yeah. Yes, it's awesome. Okay. No, what was it? I heard that. Huh? How about I'll give you a call later and I'll give you the answer. Okay? Alright. Bye! That was my friend Max that I've been talking to on this video. Okay, I'm going to end this in about 5 seconds. See you later. Hope you had a Merry Christmas.